Hi, welcome to Novel Knacks. It's been a while since I've made a video. I've been hiding out in my bunker, but I thought I'd come up today for some air and see how the lawn's doing. Looking at the lawn reminded me of one of my unique skills, and unique skills is a big part of what Novel Knacks is supposed to be about. Novel being an alternate word for new or unique, and knacks being a alternate word for skills. So one of my unique skills is finding four-leaf clovers, and I thought I'd just talk about how I do that. Step one is you have to not actually fertilize your lawn, and kill off the clovers is a big part of it. The second step is just actually going out and staring at the lawn. In this case, we have a bunch of lawn that's more clover than it is grass. And when it gets dry out, the clovers stay green a lot longer than the grass does. So at least it gives me a green lawn by leaving the clovers there. To find a four-leaf clover, you just have to first start by looking down. Look down, see if you see anything. Look at the angles between the leaves. They should be evenly spaced at 120 degrees. If you see a leaf that's a little off, then you have to pick it up, check it out. That isn't one. That isn't one. And you just have to go over the entire lawn like that, slowly looking at every single clover and seeing if any of them are out of the ordinary. So, moving along and picking this particular spot, is there anything out of the ordinary that you can see? I'll just wait here for a bit and see if you can spot it. Okay, now that you've been staring at this particular patch of clovers for a while, let's see if you found a few things. Here's one. There's a four-leaf clover. Here's the first one. Looking down over here, here's four-leaf clover number 2. And believe it or not, this is not a four-leaf clover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-leaf clover. Here's a four-leaf clover. And here's another one right here. Nope, that's another 5-leaf. So we have one 5-leaf here, 2 5-leaves, another 4-leaf, another 4-leaf, and another 4-leaf. So that's all you have to do. Look at your lawn and keep finding them. They're out there, so just keep looking. So if you like this video and you'd like to learn other skills from Novel Knacks, please make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to share with your friends so that they can see this as well. So if you pick some clovers in your backyard, you're going to want to press them so that they don't dry out. If you want to actually keep them, you could start by taking the clover and laying it down and kind of giving it a little press with your fingers so that the leaves are where you want them. Then you're going to want to take some paper. Here I have half of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that I've folded in half. And I'm going to set the clover on it and get the leaves about where I want them. And then if I write the date on it, of when I picked it, then you'll remember when you got it. So then you want to carefully fold the paper over. Now the paper will help hold it in place, and because paper is very, very dry, it'll pull all the moisture out to preserve it. So once you have it folded in a piece of paper, you can then find a large book, put it in, and put some weight on it. Sometimes just a can of something or piling up more books, and once you have it put in the book, you just need to forget about it and check back in a while, and it'll be all dried and it'll hold its shape. And that's how you press a 4-leaf clover.
Cool.